Hello and welcome back to my guide on creating professional internal assessments. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use a Google spreadsheet to create an easy and very professional looking histogram. So let me go straight back to my data here. Here's my data, my raw data. Again, I'm going to select all of it by clicking and dragging. Got it all. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to click this plus for a new sheet, and here I am going to paste it. Okay, so here's my data again. States, population, electoral votes, percent of the US population. One way that I might want to organize this data graphically is to create a histogram, a frequency histogram, which shows how often values fall within certain ranges. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select a column. Let's see, I'm going to select column B here. And I'm going to go to Insert, Chart. And I should have a window pop up. Here we go. And my recommended here is a histogram right here. So I'll click on this, and then I will hit Insert. And here we go. Google has actually created for you a histogram. If you want to edit this, you can just click on this little arrow up here. You can go to Advanced Edit, and I'll let you play around with this, but you can change the title here. You can, here's another thing you can do. You can change your axis title for the horizontal axis, and if you wanted, you could also change your vertical axis. What goes on the vertical axis of a histogram, of course, is frequency. So I'll type that in, and you will see it pop right up. If I want to, I can change the color. I could make this a nice red, or whatever color seems appropriate. You can change this. Here's a green. Whatever you think looks appropriate. I'll let you play around with the customization if you like, but this has created a histogram, and it has automatically actually created the class widths and the class sizes, and I can look at this and figure out how many are in each class. I will hit Update. Here's my histogram, and you can insert this right into your internal assessment. What I would do is recommend you save the image. It will probably save in your download somewhere. Here it is. I can open it up. Here is the image that I've just created. Looks very nice, so you can insert this straight into your document. And then you're finished. And of course, you can also easily do this. Let me make this chart smaller, move it out of the way, and I could make one here. I could make another histogram of presidential electoral votes by going to Insert, Chart. Okay, here's a histogram. I will insert this, and here's a histogram. Remember, I could play around with this if I wanted. A histogram of presidential electoral votes. And one interesting thing to do would be to compare these two histograms and say, what do we notice about these two histograms? But that's the sort of analysis I will leave to you. I just want to give you the tools to do it. And I'm going to rename this sheet Histograms. I really encourage you to stay organized in the internal assessment. You're going to have a lot of different graphs and calculations going on. The more organized you can be, the better. Good luck.